Now this is another very simple question. It says if this left hand side is equal to the right hand side of this equation, find P. So what we'll do is we'll just write this out. So this will be 3 all over 2p minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 3 all over 1 over 4p plus 1. So what we'll do here is something very cool. We'll just cross multiply because this is a fraction. This is the numerator 3, then the denominator is 2p minus 1 over 2. Then this is the numerator and this is also the denominator. So we'll just cross multiply. So you say cross multiply. So by the time cross multiply, you do something like this. Denominator here goes to the numerator 3. So you'll have 3 times 1 all over 4p plus 1. You notice I add a dot here. It means times. Although this bracket also means times most times. But just let's leave it like that. Then 1 over 3 dot. Then 2p. That's this denominator here goes to the numerator up here. So you have 1 over 3 times 2p minus 1 over 2. Then we have something like this. Then we can expand. So we expand both sides. So by the time we expand both sides, we'll have 3 times 1 all over 4p plus 3. That's 3 multiply this one. 3 also multiply 1 will give us 3. So you have 1 over 3 multiply 2p. You have 2p all over 3 minus this also give us 1 over 3 dot 1 over 2. So this multiply this 1 over 3 also multiply this to give us this. So by the time we expand this, we have 3 all over 4p plus 3 equals to 2p all over 3 minus 1 all over 6. We have something very cool. So to solve this, we'll just find the LCM of 4, 3 and 6. So that's 4, 3 and 6. When you are doing your WASSCE exams, I don't advise you to do this. Okay, so you have 2 here, 2 here, 3, then 2 cannot go in 3, so you write down 3. 2 here, 1, 2 cannot go in 3 and 3, so 3 goes there, so you have 1, 1. Okay, so you have nothing left again. So you just multiply all this together, and you have 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3, 6. So the LCM of 4, 3 and 6 will give us, that's 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, we can happily clean this off. So by the time we clean this off, we'll have multiply the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation by the LCM. So you have 12 into bracket 3p all over 4 plus 3 equals to 12 into bracket 2p all over 3 minus 1 over 6. Okay, so we expand both sides. So what we did is we got the LCM, which is 12, then we multiply both sides by the LCM. So what you now have is 12.3p all over 4 plus 12.3 equals to 12.2p all over 3 minus 12.1 over 6. And I know you agree with this from this example we did here. So 4 here 1, 4 here 3, 3 here 1, 3 here 4, 6 here 1, 6 here 2. Very cool. So here we would have 3 times 3, 9. That's this 3 times this 3 will give us 9p plus 12 times 3, that will be 36. So 4 times 2, that's 8p minus 2 times 1, which is 2. So if we solve this together, we'll have another very wonderful answer. So collect like terms. So we'll have collect like terms. So by the time we collect like terms, you notice something very interesting. You notice 9p and 8p looks like they are from the same family because they have p and p attached to themselves. So 36 and 2 also look from the same family because they don't have any p attached to it. Okay, so we'll just say 9p, that's this 9p. So when this 8p, which has an invisible plus sign here, comes to the other side, it becomes minus 8p. So this is minus 2 originally, so you just write minus 2. Now this is plus 36. When plus 36 goes to the other side, it becomes minus 36. Okay, so 9p minus 8p becomes p, then minus 2 and minus 36. This is just like you owe 2 naira and you owe 36 naira. Because of this minus sign, it means you owe 2 naira and you also owe 36 naira. So that means you owe 38 naira. So we just write minus 38, means you are owing 38 naira. Okay, I was just joking. So the value of p is actually minus 38. So this is the answer.